Waldron 3D Workshop. Just giving you a quick update on the new project I've started. As you can see, it's well underway. And while it looks like a horse, I feel the Lord leading me to do a zebra, which is really exciting and be interesting to see how I'm going to do the stripes. But one of the reasons I feel that way is when I got this direction piece, the beginnings of it for the eye there, I actually at the same time got this piece. And I don't know if you can see the eye there and the beginnings of crocodile. To me, that says crocodile in the water with a zebra. It'd be interesting to see how I'm going to convey the water with the zebra swimming in it, and then well behind that will be the crocodile in pursuit. So I'm really excited about this. It's really different, and it'd be interesting to see the message and the expression come through. And really also I'm excited about the broad landscape of the overall sculpture. So we'll see how it comes out. I'm excited to share the process with you, and I'll update you on the next Waldron 3D Workshop.